Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. Here's part 3. I'm going to give you all the numbers of what I paid individually for each item at auction, and then I'll give you the breakdown of what I think I can make on each individual piece, okay? All right, here's my breakdown. So I've got my Star Trek ones. These are my little slips from the auction that tells me exactly what I bought. So these I bought $11 a piece is what I bid on these for a total of $22. And I'm going to give you the price. This one here, the numbers I'm going to give you are from my Amazon seller app, what I will make after all the fees, okay? Not what it's selling for on Amazon, but after all the fees. So after all the fees, like I said, I spent $11 a piece. $11, $23.61 is what I'm going to get in my pocket. So I'll pay myself back the $11 and then I'll get the $23.61 minus 11. You do the math. All right, this one, $54.14 is what I'm gonna get, and that's if I can sell it brand new. I'm just giving you all brand new prices. I know the condition on some of these things is not fantastic, but I just wanted to give you a ballpark of where we're at. These ones were my huge score. I spent 25 bucks a piece on each one of these, and as you can see, they're a little bit dusty and dirty. I'm definitely going to have to clean them up, and some of them may not work. But if I can get them to sell, they can go brand new. I spent 25 bucks a piece, so a total of $100 for four of them. I can make $400 a piece is what they're going for right now. Now, $400 sounds awesome, but it does have a sales rank of over $1 million. So it may not move that fast, and I may go ahead and just undercut it, sell them for about $300 a piece or $250. So that's my huge, woohoo, good money. All right. This one is a smaller Darth Vader mask. The mask is in great condition. Box is a little bit to be desired. I spent $17.50 on this small mask. Sorry, I'm trying to pick it up without knocking everything over. There you go. $17.50 is what I paid on this mask, and I can sell it for $155. So these Darth Vader voice-changing masks are really good buys. Here's the episode 1 series. I bought these both together. They were $4 a piece, so a total of $8 spent. So $4, $14.51 after fees is what I can make on this one. And $34 is what I can make on that one. So $34, take away my $4, $30 in my pocket, total profit. So if that gives you an idea of how I'm doing my numbers. Here is my military old photos and my military bonds. I spent $17.50 on the old photos, which I'll flip on eBay, and also the what are they called again? They're called rations. War rations. Thank you. I spent $1 on the war rations, and so I should be able to sell those as a great lot. So $18.50 spent. That's yet to be seen, and I'll try to give a follow-up video and let you know how much those sold for. These Monopolies were a great buy. I'm going to move this out of the way to show you the Monopoly board game. These Monopolies are brand new, still in package. Have no problem selling these brand new. I bought them for 20 bucks a piece. A lot of people might think that's pretty high, but they're actually selling for $53.90. They're actually selling for around $73, but then after fees, I'm going to pocket $53.90, pay myself back the $20, which would make me $33.90 in my pocket. Okay, this one here, I bought these together, two at $2 a piece, which makes them $4 total. This one is going to go for $17.60. This one is $6.27. Paid $2 each for those. Let me see. These right here, these Star Wars Jedi Starfighters, I paid $7 a piece for, and they're going to sell for $38.14, and I have 2 of them. And then the Pod Racer, I spent $8 on the Pod Racer, and this one's going to sell for $29.41. And yes, these are brand new, never been opened. I've got this whole lot of green ones. If you can look and see the ones that are green, there's many different figurines. For the entire bunch, I spent $35. And so I've got, 3 plus 5, plus 9, plus 4, plus 7, plus 10. So I may just barely make back my money and maybe $5 or $6 more, depending on how many listings are on there. If there's no other FBAers, I may skyrocket the price. I just went by what it's showing me as the low price deal right now. This one, all these ones in blue, were about $25, and they're a big variety. $250 is what I'm going to make back after fees. $432, $372. This one was actually my best one, and thankfully I have 3 of them for $8.50 a piece. So I definitely will make my money back there with maybe some extra in my pocket. All right. These were interesting. These were the early bird purchase Star Wars. And I paid $15 a piece on these. This is one where I kind of got caught up in the auction and just kept bidding because it was so much fun. Well, I thought I had made a mistake, but I did not. I spent $15 a piece and I could actually make $24.01. So I'm going to make about $9 a piece on these. Now, I usually like to make more money back than that, but hey, at an auction, good product, awesome. Okay, I'm going to come back here before I run around to the front. This was Star Wars in a bag. For this entire box, I spent $2. I can easily make my $2 back either on eBay or on Amazon. Some of these smaller ones I haven't looked up yet, but they may be able to sell on Amazon. All right, I'm going to wander around to the front here. We're going to talk about these Lord of the Rings. This, I think, was one of my best buys because I bought both boxes. I bid up the boxes to $12.50, and then he asks, would you like one or both of them? So I opted for both of them because I knew they were new in package. They're all the Smeagol ones, and so it's going to be super easy to list these because I've got 23 of the exact same thing, and they're all in basically the same condition. So they're in great condition. So for both of these boxes, I spent $25 each one. I'm going to pocket $11.44. So 11, you do the math, 11 times 23. Well, if it was 10 times 23, that's $230, and I only had to make back 25. So definitely this was one of my best buys. The mantle clock, I'm going to go down here and jump down here to the mantle clock. This is my mantle clock. I spent $10 on it. I foresee being able to sell it for probably about $30 or $40. And if it's in good working condition, I may even be able to get up to about $100, $150. So don't discount those. Even if it doesn't work, a lot of times you can sell those just for aesthetic value. People like to have them on their mantles just to look at. Okay, this one, when I had bought them, I got a little overzealous. And I got crazy with the bidding, but I paid $7 per box, but I actually can sell them and make a profit of $14.85. And so I can actually make $7 a piece on each one of these. Kind of the same thing. I spent $7, gonna sell it for $11.32 after fees. These are my die cast, $5. So I kind of break even on this one. I'll make $6.82. This one was $5, $7.23. So I may decide to bundle those on an eBay listing and make a little more. This one is going to be, I spent $10, going to make $16.11. So that's only about $5 a profit. So as you can see, they're not all blowing it out, hit it out of the park, but I'm still making money on all of them. This one I spent $20 on, going to make $32.40. So there's $12.40 in my pocket. This one I'm going to sell them on eBay because they're a slow-moving ASIN. For the entire Star Wars card set, I spent $20, and I foresee being able to make $5 a piece. So $3 a piece. I've got about 7 or 8 of them in there. This one here, I paid $7.50 for this box. I'm going to be able to sell it for $62.29. So that's another woohoo, good big bopper. So that's an awesome one. I've got some smaller ones here. I think I already went over these. So these ones will sell for $3.92. And so some of them are close to breaking even, but most of them I'm going to make my money back. So as you can see, going to auctions is something you can definitely do for an Amazon FBA seller, and then a few little eBays sprinkled in there. But I hope this has been helpful. I'll do another video once I get it all listed and give you the final numbers on what it all breaks down into, that I can have pocketed money. So I wanted you to know all of this info. Hopefully it's been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.